Now we go to the terminologies that what is encryption by self. What is encryption? So the definition of encryption is it's a process. So it's a process of what? Encoding a message so that its meaning is not obvious, its meaning is not clear, you cannot see that what is going on. Okay, so encryption means that people like who is not like authorized people, they will not guess that what is the meaning of this encryption over there. Decryption is the reverse process. So it's a reverse of the process over there. Like for example, if you receive the message, only you can decrypt it using the key over there, right? So the sender will have the key and the receiver will have the key, but the outside, the intruders will not have the key over there. So transforming an encrypted message back into the normal from the original like the original form. So alternatively, we also call encode or decode. Okay, so encryption and decryption is like a same. Alternatively, you call as an encode and decode, but there is a minor difference between it, and we will discuss it later. We say that we encode or encrypt, right? So you can use an alternate one of encrypt as an encoding the original message to hide its meaning, and we decode or decrypt it to reveal the original message over there. So the system for the whole encryption and decryption is called what? Crypto system. So crypto system is the science or the is a method for encryption and decryption over. So now you see it. There is a slight difference between the encoding and the encryption over this. So encoding is the process of translating entire words or phrase to other words or phrase over there, right? So encoding, you see, you take the whole word or whole sentences or phrases to another word or phrases over there. Okay, but encryption is a group term that covers encoding over there. So like for example, encryption is like more minute. It can be like letter by letter, or it can be by bit as well. So encryption is more amic, or it is more deep over there, right? So encryption inside the words like letter by letter, or even the bits by bit like 0 and 1, it can also encrypt this one. Encryption is dealing like more in depth over there, while encoding is more apparent. So when you have some like plain text, you do some processing over there and you get the ciphertext. This ciphertext, the receiver takes this is the sender and this is the receiver over there, right? So the receiver, what he does it, he decrypt for himself and get the original message for himself for reading over there.